Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from KuCoin to MEXC. For that, you need to launch your MEXC mobile application first, and after that, you just have to log into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And after that, you need to tap on the Deposit option in the top. Once done, you will be shown bunch of different cryptos that are available on MEXC Global. So among these cryptos, you will have to search for USDT. After that, you will be asked to select the network. So you just have to select the network as per your convenience. For this video, I am going to select the BNB Smart Chain, which is BEP20. So after selecting it, you are going to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you will have to copy the deposit address of USDT from MEXC, and after that you just have to launch your KuCoin mobile application. After that, you just have to log into your KuCoin account. Then you need to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will have to tap on Funding and then you need to select USDT. After selecting USDT, you are going to see a Withdraw button there. So you will have to tap on Withdraw button in the bottom. Then you will be redirected on this page. Now here in the first section, you just have to paste the address that we have just copied from MEXC Global. After that, you will have to select the network. So as previously in the MEXC, we have selected the BNB Smart Chain, which was BEP20. So you will have to select the same network over here as well. Then you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw. And in the KuCoin, the minimum withdrawal amount should be 3 USDT. Once done, it will show you the other information relating to your transfer, and then you will have to tap on this withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, on the next page, you just have to review the information that you have mentioned previously in the KuCoin. If everything looks correct, you just have to confirm your withdrawal. Afterwards, you will notice that you have successfully transferred your USDT from KuCoin to MEXC. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.